Gym owner tips aren't just about equipment and classes. You can buy all the best gym equipment in the world, but you need gym owner tips that will help your gym succeed, no matter what crazy things happen around you. The best gym owner tips aren't about fitness per se, but about mastering the art of running a successful fitness business without going crazy. From gym member engagement to financial management, every detail counts. Today, we're diving into practical, actionable tips for gym owners to streamline operations, boost member engagement, and increase profitability. And we'll show you how Exercise.com can be your all-in-one solution to manage your gym efficiently. Let's get started. 1. Develop a clear gym business plan. A well-structured gym business plan is the foundation of a successful gym. It should outline your target market, services offered, pricing strategy, and marketing approach. Utilizing tools like Exercise.com's free guide for gym owners with a free gym business plan template, link in description, can help you craft a comprehensive plan tailored to your goals. These free fitness and gym owner templates are invaluable for new gym owner resources and also provides experienced gym owner advice to set you on the right path. 2. Prioritize member engagement and retention. Keeping your gym members engaged is crucial for retention. Though sometimes it's challenging, implement gym loyalty programs, host fitness challenges, and provide personalized workout plans. Exercise.com enables you to track member progress and send automated messages, enhancing the member experience. These gym member engagement ideas are essential for building a loyal community. 3. Invest in staff training and development. Your staff are the face of your gym. Providing them with ongoing training ensures they deliver exceptional service. Exercise.com's platform allows you to manage staff schedules, track performance, and facilitate communication. This approach is key to managing a gym successfully and fostering a positive work environment. 4. Utilize data analytics for informed decision-making. Understanding your gym's performance metrics helps you make informed decisions. Exercise.com provides detailed reports on membership trends, revenue, and class attendance. Leveraging this data is one of the best gym owner tips to identify areas for improvement and growth. 5. Expand your offerings with online services. Offering online fitness classes and virtual training sessions can attract a broader audience. Exercise.com supports virtual training, allowing you to reach members beyond your physical location. This strategy is part of how to make a gym successful in a competitive market. As Kelly Davis of Fit Thrive puts it, with Exercise.com, I'm able to reach people around the world with the programs that I design. That's been huge. 6. Engage with the gym owner community. Connecting with other gym owners provides opportunities to share experiences and learn from each other. Participating in a gym owners forum or joining a gym owner network can offer valuable insights and support. These connections are beneficial for exchanging gym tips and tricks and staying updated on industry trends. 7. Implement effective gym marketing strategies. Attracting new members requires a robust gym marketing plan. Utilize social media, email campaigns, and community events to promote your gym. Exercise.com offers a full marketing automation suite and also integrates with marketing tools, streamlining your promotional efforts. Radley W. from G2 says, Exercise.com provides more streamlined business functionality both internally and customer-facing. Better user interface than prior providers. Migration was a breeze. 8. Monitor financial health closely. Keeping a close eye on your gym finances ensures long-term sustainability. Regularly review your income, expenses, and profit margins. Exercise.com's gym financial reporting features provide clear insights into your gym's financial performance. Jonathan A. from GetApp says, I feel that this software really does it all. One action can trigger multiple actions from accountability messages to payment collection. 9. Stay adaptable and open to innovation. The fitness industry is constantly evolving. Stay informed about new trends and be willing to adapt your services accordingly. Exercise.com's flexible platform allows you to implement new programs and services with ease. Nicholas L. says, the most empowering experience thus far is the onboarding and ongoing support in making sure every aspect of my business is reflected on the platform. 10. Embrace comprehensive gym management software. Managing a gym involves juggling multiple tasks, scheduling, billing, member communication, and more. Exercise.com offers an all-in-one platform that automates these processes, saving you time and reducing errors. With features like custom-branded apps, online booking, and workout tracking, you can provide a seamless experience for your members. As Brandon Stroop of Apex Sports Performance puts it, we were using 3 or 4 different apps or softwares to do what we can now do all in one with the Exercise.com platform. Dwayne C. calls Exercise.com the ultimate teammate, praising both the software and the development team's custom solutions. Running a gym comes with its challenges, but with the right strategies and tools, you can overcome them. Implementing these gym owner tips will help you streamline operations, enhance member satisfaction, and grow your business. Exercise.com stands out as the best gym business management software, offering comprehensive solutions for all your gym's needs. Ready to take your gym to the next level? Visit Exercise.com right now to get a free demo.